This trick makes my home smell beautifully. Everyone who visits me asks, "What's that scent?" I don't buy it in the store, I make it myself. I heat a fork over a candle, then take a simple disposable plastic box. Using the hot fork, I make numerous holes in it. They need to be plenty. The hot fork melts them, so it's the fastest way. When the lid is covered in holes, I remove it from the box and pour salt inside. Plain, inexpensive kitchen salt with coarse grains will be perfect, as it has cleansing properties and absorbs moisture. Let me know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Then I pour a teaspoon of fabric softener into it. It should have a pleasant floral scent. I mix everything so that the salt gets colored by the fabric softener. Prepare a handful of cloves and insert them evenly around in equal intervals. You can create nice patterns that will be pleasing to the eye. Place such a box in the bathroom or wardrobe. It will emit a pleasant fragrance. Everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, it absorbs excess moisture, so it works great in a shoe cabinet. The scent of the fabric softener and cloves will be intense, making it perfect for the bathroom as well.